Hi everyone, welcome to my recap of the third round of the 2024 Mallala SWS Series Go-Kart Championship. The day started with a 10-lap qualifying session, which was then followed by two 7-lap heat races. The combined results from these sessions then set the grid for a 10-lap feature race. Out of the 15 people who were competing in the light class, I qualified in 7th position. This time out there was no reverse grid format, meaning that I will be starting heat 1 from position 7. I ended the first lap in 9th place and had my sights set on making my way up through the field. After going off the track again, I was down in 12th place with some work to do. I managed to make my way back up to 10th by the end of Heat 1. This meant that I would be starting Heat 2 from position 10. After surviving the first lap and gaining 4 positions, I turned my focus to trying to make my way through the field as quickly as possible. I finished Heat 2 in 3rd place, with my combined results meaning that I'll be starting the feature race from 7th position. After another messy start, I was down in 11th place and determined to fight my way to the front of the field. Whilst catching up to 4th place, I had a funny feeling that I had seen that helmet before, but I just couldn't remember where. And then it hit me. So naturally, with me being this close to his rear bumper, I was always going to try and pass him into the next corner. I pushed on and tried to catch up to the podium places, but I ultimately ran out of laps, and I finished the feature race in position 4. It was an action-packed day and I thoroughly enjoyed myself. I cannot wait to get back out there and do it all again in August for round 4 of the championship. Thanks for watching.